Welcome to my channel. How to set up Ethernet adapter. Point 1. Check your adapter. First things first, make sure you actually have the adapter. Sounds dumb, but I've seen people try to plug cables into thin air. If your laptop doesn't have an Ethernet port, you'll need a USB to Ethernet adapter. Could be USB-A, USB-C, or even Thunderbolt depending on your device. Point 2. Inspect the cable. Grab a good Ethernet cable. Cat5e, Cat6, whatever, doesn't matter too much unless you're chasing gigabit speeds. But make sure it's not frayed or chewed up, especially if you've got pets. Bad cables mean wastage of time. Point 3. Plug into the router. Now, take one end of the cable and stick it into your router or modem. Usually, the yellow or numbered ports at the back. Point 4. Plug into your adapter. The other end goes into your adapter. And then obviously, the adapter goes into your laptop or PC. Again, just push till it clicks. Ethernet ports are springy. If it feels loose, something's wrong. Point 5. Wait for the lights. Most adapters or ports have tiny LED lights. Green, amber, whatever. They should blink once you're connected. If you don't see lights, either the cable is dead, or the port is fried, or the router's off. Point 6. Check device recognition. On Windows, it should auto-detect. Bottom right corner, network icon changes. On Mac, go to System Settings, right pointing arrow network. You should see Ethernet pop up. If it doesn't, the driver's probably missing. Point 7. Install drivers if needed. Some adapters just work. Others need drivers, especially the cheaper ones from Amazon. Go to the manufacturer's site, download drivers, install, reboot. Yes, you actually have to reboot sometimes. Don't skip it. Point 8. Disable Wi-Fi. To make sure you're actually using Ethernet and not Wi-Fi, just turn Wi-Fi off. Otherwise, your system might keep bouncing between the two, and you'll wonder why speeds are inconsistent. Point 9. Test your connection. Open a browser, run a quick speed test. Compare Wi-Fi versus Ethernet. Usually, Ethernet is faster and way more stable. If you're still getting garbage speeds, the problem's probably your ISP, not the adapter. Point 10. Keep it neat. Final tip. Don't leave your cable dangling across the room like a tripwire. Tape it down, route it along the wall, or get a longer one if needed. Trust me, nothing sucks more than yanking your laptop off a desk by accident. Thanks for watching.